Welcome back, students. Today we will be discussing simple equations exercise 4.3. Students, you should know the difference between the equations which we deal every day. First question. 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. Else, I can read the same question as 5 by 2 into x is equal to 25 by 4. So what will I do with that 5 by 2? 5 by 2 is multiplied there, isn't it? So when I take 5 by 2 to the other side, it becomes divided by 5 by 2. Isn't it? 25 by 4 divided by 5 by 2. What is divided by 5 by 2? It is multiplication by its reciprocal. It is multiplication by its reciprocal. Where did you get it from? It is the rule from division of fractions. Isn't it? So, x is equal to 25 by 4 into 2 by 5. Now, how will you reduce it? Let us see. Here, you can see 25 by 5. I can cancel it. 5 into 5 by is 25. Similarly, 2 into 2 is 4. This is how I cancel. So what is the final answer? X is equal to 5 by 2. Is that clear to you? So 5 by 2x is equal to 25 by 4. So when you take 5 by 2 to the other side, it becomes divided by 5 by 2. Divided by 5 by 2 is same as multiplication by its reciprocal. That is why I wrote into 2 by 5. Into 2 by 5. Then I reduced the operation and I got the final answer as 5 by 2. Next question. Same type. 3 by 2L is equal to 2 by 3. 3 by 2 into L is equal to 2 by 3. So what will happen? 3 by 2 goes to the other side. Then you can write it as 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 2. 2 by 3 divided by 3 by 2. So what happens? Divided by 3 by 2 will be written as into 2 by 3. 3 divided by 3 by 2 can be written as into 2 by 3. So what is the answer? 4 by 9. What is the answer? 4 by 9. Students, remember that you have learnt this rule in chapter fractions and decimals. Divided by a fraction is same as multiplying it with its reciprocal. Next question. 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 into x plus 4 equal to 12. So, here you can see a bracket. So, remove the bracket first. Applying distributive property, you should remove the bracket. How will you apply distributive property? 2 into x plus 2 into 4. Once again, 2 into x plus 2 into 4. So what will I get? 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. 2x plus 8 is equal to 12. isn't it? Now, as usual, transposing method. Plus 8 comes to the other side. So what will happen? Minus 8. 2x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4 divided by 2 and the final answer is x is equal to 2. So the solution of the equation 2 into x plus 4 is equal to 12 is x is equal to 2. Clear? Next, students, fourth question you can see in your notebook. Same as third question. Now, next one, fifth question. Minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. Once again, minus 4 into 2 plus x is equal to 8. As you can see a bracket here, remove the bracket first. Minus 4 into 2. What is that? Minus 8. Here one plus is there. Plus minus 4 into x. What is minus 4 into x? It is minus 4x. Okay? Minus 4x. Now, minus 8, when it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 8. Once again, minus 8, when it goes to the other side, it becomes plus 8. So, minus 4x is equal to 16. Minus 4x is equal to 16. Next, how will you read this? Minus 4 into x. What is that? Minus 4 into x. Clear? So, minus 4 when it goes to the other side, it becomes divided by minus 4. Why it became divided by minus 4? Because minus 4 is multiplied here. So, 16 by minus 4 is equal to negative 4. So, x is equal to negative 4. What is the answer? X is equal to negative 4. Next question. 16 equal to 4 plus 3 into t plus 2. Now, remove the bracket first. 16 I wrote as such. 4 I wrote as such. Plus, now I am going to remove the bracket. 3 into t. 3t. 3 into 2. 6. Once again, 16 as such. 4 as such. Now you have your bracket. So 3 into t, 3t plus 3 into 2, 6. Now, which are the numbers here? 4 plus 6. Once again, 4 plus 6. What is 4 plus 6? It is 10. Now, 10 I'll take to the other side. 10 I'll take to the other side. 16 minus 10. What is that? 6. So, how will you get t? 6 by 3 equal to 2. So, the solution is t equal to 2. So, the solution is t equal to 2. Next question. 7th one. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34. 4 plus 5 into p minus 1 equal to 34. Now, 4 I wrote as such. Removing the bracket. 5 into p, 5p minus 5 into 1, 5. Once again, 4 as such plus 5 into p, 5p and minus 5 into 1, 5. Now, what are the numbers here? 4 minus 5. What is 4 minus 5? It is minus 1. What is 4 minus 5? Minus 1. So, 5p minus 1 is equal to 34. 5p minus 1 is equal to 34. Minus 1 goes to the other side. It becomes plus 1. Minus 1 goes to the other side. It becomes plus 1. So 5p equal to 35. So p is equal to 7. So the solution of this equation is p equal to 7. Hope you understood the problem. Next question. So finished with that. Thank you. Have a nice day.